Hi, we will talk about the ecological footprint. The team is made up of Delgado, Siria, Perez, and me, Bianca, Nava. First, do you know what the ecological footprint is? No? I'm going to explain it to you. The ecological footprint is the total amount of carbon dioxide that produces a person, namely an indicator of the impact and damage that we do to the environment. The indirect or direct form, with garbage, what we do, or also the amount of processed foods we eat, or the animal origin, transport that we use, the waste, and the use of energy electricity.
Having a large ecological footprint brings with it disaster consequences. The loss of energy and pollution are important, but they are only the beginning of a big chain of damage. A large portion of the world is made up with green areas, and these at the same time help us to breathe and break oxygen. The ecological footprint eliminates all these areas and leave only desert areas. This happens also with the water. There are animals which are fundamental part of the food chain and part of our food. The ecological footprint also leaves them without home and therefore ends with their life. If we don't do something about it, the world will end soon, and humans will become extinct. Without food or oxygen, we will die. We must take into account that if we don't do complete, there will be more consequences.
How can we reduce our ecological footprint? There are some ideas to reduce it and what would happen to our planet if we didn't reduce our ecological footprint. Number 1. Try to walk more and use public transport or bicycle. And so if we use less the car, we will pollute less. Number 2. Use for less time the electric devices, and so if I do this, the consume of energy will be less and we produce less carbon dioxide. Number 3. Don't use plastic bags and use the earth. Number 4. Take a short time in the shower and reuse water. So if we contribute this, we will support saving water. And finally, if we make this simple action, we will help to reduce the unnecessary waste in the earth.
Thank you for your attention. I hope you like it and remember to take care of the planet.